Hi, my name is Nick Southwick. I was one of the Trek 2022 participants representing Land Rover the Gulf Coast. Just got our Trek vehicle off the trailer. It's same condition that we took her off the trails in. We left all the dirt and everything on there for you. I was really impressed. I was really set up. If you are the camping, overland, adventure type, this vehicle's got everything you're going to need on it. We'll start off on the front. It does have a worn winch built in behind the bumper. It's got a Bluetooth wireless control, so you don't have to go out and connect anything to it. Got limb risers built in. If you're going down a tight trail, this will actually help push the branches off the vehicle and try to keep from scratching your vehicle. Built-in snorkel. Of course, that'll give you deeper wading ability, deeper water. Up top, you can see they've got the built-in tent. That is easy to deploy. Couple latches. It'll lift up on its own, and then a couple bars inside, and you're ready to camp with just 5 to 10 minutes. It does have the built-in awning. This actually rolls up and stores right on the side of your truck. Again, easy to deploy. Built-in water jugs. So if you are going to be away from civilization for a few days, you've got any fresh water that you might need. We come around to the back. We do have a built-in refrigerator. This is actually powered off. There's a solar panel on top of the tent and an inverter, so you can actually recharge or run other devices off that same battery pack, but it will keep this. We had our food in here, kept it 30 some odd degrees for the whole trip. All the recovery equipment you'll need to go with your winch. Camp stove, chairs. There's a table up in the tent that we can bring down. And then on this side, we've got more rescue equipment. If you ever get stuck off-road, these boards are designed, you can wedge them underneath your tires. It'll help give you more traction. They also have an end that you can use like a shovel if you had to dig. But of course, we do also have a shovel on the rig. And then of course, your storage box. This actually has your jack equipment in it right now because the refrigerator's in the way. But from the back seat into the storage compartment, they've actually added the cage. So if you had pets or anything and you wanted to put them in there, you've got separate compartments, or it'll also just keep any of your gear from coming up front if you hit the brakes too hard. And that's just a quick overview of the 2022 Land Rover Trek Defender.